Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to properly put the Anvdr2 into operations. First thing you want to do is press up the off on button. Okay, now it's on. First thing you want to do is do a self test, hold clear test. Okay, at this point you're going to turn on the audio and turn down the lights. Make sure these lights turn on. From there, it's going to run this sequence 0 through 1. Of course, the decimal is going to change and the numbers are going to change. Eventually, what you see, if it's good, is a blinking 9. Sometimes you will get a delay. It will show 6 and 7 stuck there. That's okay, as long as we get a blinking 9. In this case, we're good. Now, if we got a blinking 0, that means there's a malfunction with this piece of equipment. Now, to get out of this mode, hit clear test. Now we're ready to go. Now, first thing we're going to end up doing is we're going to set the dose per hour. The way you're going to do that, you're going to hold down clear test and dose per hour button. What's going to happen is you're going to see it blinking. Now you have 10 seconds to start moving the decimal. If not, it's going to return back to normal. Now, to move, hit clear test. In this case, it went back, so we're going to show you again. Now, with it blinking, in order to start the process, you have to hit clear test. Now, what you're going to see is the decimal and the unit blinking. To change the decimal place in the unit, keep pushing on dose per hour. In this case, we're going to leave the decimal at the 7 and at centigrades per hour. At that point, hit clear test. Now, the first digit is flashing. To change the digit, hit dose per hour button. We're going to make it, let's see, we're going to make it 4. All right. After you're done, hit clear test. Same thing. To change this digit, hit the dose per hour button. If you're done, hit clear test. And the same thing, hit the dose per hour button. We'll make it even 400. Okay, hit clear test. At that point, it is already preset. Now what you're seeing right here is it's picking up natural background reading. That is okay. But the way it's worked is if you already preset the dose per hour and the accumulated dose, and if it meets or exceeds that, this piece of equipment will go off, either based off the audio sound or the lights up here. Now, we're going to show you how to set the accumulated dose, or known as the total dose. The way you're going to hold it, you're going to hold down the clear test and the accumulated button. At this point, hit clear test again. Now, the decimal and the unit's going to flash. To change the decimal place and the unit, hit accumulated dose button. In this case, we're going to set it up to 0.115 centigrades. Okay, after you're done, hit clear test. The first digit is blinking. To change the first digit, hit accumulated dose. We're going to make it a 6 and clear test. Then the second digit is going to flash. Hit accumulated dose. We're going to make it a 5. Hit clear test again. And the third digit is going to flash. We're going to make it a 9. Okay, hit clear test. Now it's preset for the accumulated dose. Same thing. Once it meets or exceeds the accumulated dose, either the audio is going to go off or the visual is going off based off what function you're going to. Now, to turn this piece of equipment off is quite easy. You'll be able to just hit the switch right here. Now, the cool thing about this piece of equipment is you have, if say like you need to change out the batteries, you have 5 minutes to swap out the batteries. After 5 minutes, the presettings you already put in, it loses its memory, and then from there you have to preset it again. This concludes my presentation.